Hi, I'm Jerry Drager, Drager's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington. We're here at Drager's Clubhouse and I want to show you this vehicle. This is a 1968 Camero and it is beautiful, original engine. Here comes one of my favorite cars here at Drager's Clubhouse, this 1968 Camero Convertible. What a beautiful car. And it runs and drives great. It's got the original engine in it that's been built. Puts out a lot more horsepower and everything now. Anyway, it's a pretty neat car. It's been a lot of work done to it. We're going to go underneath the 68 Camero now so you can see the underside. And I got to tell you, this thing really looks good under here. You can just see how clean it is everywhere you look. And solid, we didn't find any rust in this car anywhere. It looks good, it's solid, and take a look at it. It's got a 10-bolt rear end in it. And of course you got these drag bars on here, whatever you want to call it. Got neat looking wheels. It's got drums on the back, discs on the front, and that all looks good. But you can look in here and you can see up there, you can just see how solid all that is. And this is pretty much the way we got it in. It just really looks good here. I mean, and it's fun car to drive. I've been driving it. I've had it to 2 different car events so far, and that was fun. It's fun seeing the reaction of people coming in. And again, look at these exhausts, all this, just everything here, all the way out on the rockers on both sides. They all look really good. This exhaust system, it looks brand new to me. I don't think there's much miles on it. You can just see. Not a whole lot I can tell you. Nothing looks bad. It's got a 4-speed transmission in it. It shifts good and everything. It's easy to shift and it's easy to drive. I'll tell you that, it drives good. Again, you can see we got the disc brakes on both sides here. You can see them, and you can see the bottom of the engine here, how it all looks. It's all clean and painted nice. It just looks really good. This front end underneath here, the A-frames, all that, they all look good. Everything just looks really good and solid. I think you'd be real happy owning this thing. Just hard to find them this nice. Look at that. I mean, I don't know if you really realize how nice this car is, but you want to come see the underside of this thing, we'll sure put it on the hoist for you so you can see it too. It's just a beautiful Camero. So, got neat looking wheels on it, everything. You'll enjoy owning this car. You'll really enjoy driving it. So I wanted to show you the engine on this Camero. It's original engine, but it's not stock anymore. It has aluminum heads on it now. So you can see the aluminum heads right there. Let me fold the camera down a little better here. So you can see those aluminum heads. And it's got disc brakes. This got disc brakes all the way around?
I don't know. I think it's drum in the rear.
I think it's drums in the rear and it's discs in the front.
Yep.
Yep, that's what it is. And you can see it's got power steering on here. It's right down in there. Can you see it? I can see the cap for it right there. Of course, there's the brake system. All got the Edelbrock on it and everything. Let's start it up for him. Wait a minute. Did I touch this for you? I wanted to make sure I touched that for you so you know it's cold. Here you go. Listen to that. Doesn't that sound neat? This thing just runs really well. I've had a good time driving and running it and stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to hear it run. Look at this beautiful 1968 Camero convertible. I mean, it's got beautiful paint on it, beautiful wheels on it. It runs and drives just really, really nice. I mean, look at the reflection in the paint there. It just looks good. You can see the disc brakes on there and the painted calipers. Man, I want to tell you, this is a nice 68 Camaro. If you're looking for a really good Camaro, something above average, you need to come to Drager's Clubhouse here in Burlington and take a look at this car. It is gorgeous. You can just see how nice this interior is. Doesn't that look good? I mean, look down the sides of there. Yep, I said disc brakes, but it's got drums on the rear, discs on the front. That's the way you want it, really. That's the best setup. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty car? I've had a great time driving this car. Andrew just got to drive it yesterday for the first time. I moved it around, but he's never had it out on the road and drove it. So you call Andrew and ask him how he likes it. Give him a call, 206-533-9600 to set up an appointment time to come take a look at this car. You really owe it to yourself to see it. And again, you can just see that interior is beautiful. Black top on there is very nice. We got the boot off of it right now. Forgot to put it on. Look at that, isn't that a pretty car? Neat wheels. This is a great car. You want something above average? This ought to work for you. Come see it. Drager's Clubhouse. If you're at all interested, call us at 206-533-9600. We'd be more than happy to talk to you.